Hello guys, good morning, and shout out first to all our followers who watch these videos, who drive around Cebu. Because I didn't know, and I didn't realize that there are people also nagiging followers at sa YouTube there, and some even, you know, and many are foreigners actually, or not from Cebu, so or not living in Cebu. So manang thank you to your all for your support. So shout out to Roy Fernandez. So, di ba? If you keep on watching, why not? Shout out diha. And comment ka recently sa among picture ni Jingjing Fararans. So on my Facebook page. So, di ba guys, if you haven't followed my Facebook page also, you can see, when you're mobile, watch my videos. These videos that drives wala exclusively for YouTube, but sa Facebook we also have our videos na sometimes wala sa YouTube, di ba? Especially those lechon videos. I don't know why YouTube like flag or may warning, sensitivity warning kung lechon. I don't know, maybe you don't like seeing pork giluto. But anyway, today would be a tribute drive for another, someone who has close to our heart also, who moved on, who passed on. This drives for Max Limpag. Diba? This is my tribute to Max Limpag, my contemporary. So he's a journalist, really known, independent journalist, but he has writes in, nakasuwat na rin siya sa mga all the big ones here in Cebu, Sunstar, Freeman, and even he contributes in Rappler and many more. Diba? So muna Max Limpag. Diba? Somehow, I mean, if you're in the journalist or news industry here in Cebu, or somehow in the Philippines, if you really closely follow this, you will know Max. Max is, I met him way back in 1993. It was our freshman year in UP, Diliman. We stay in this dorm called Kalayaan Residence Hall, where, most freshmen, especially from the provinces, live. Di ba ka na mag-dorm ba? Because UP is, alam na kung taga-probinsya ka, so importante mag-dorm ka, diba? Dako ba na campus na own jeepney ng UP. So I met Max because I had blockmates or friends, nakoy blockmates yun na nasuod na gikan South Cotabato, taga Dole Philippine School, and ang mga taga, sometimes we flock with our province mates. So eventually na ila-ila na ko sa Max dito. So he studied in, dito sa siya na area, sa Jensan sad siya. So sa South Cotabato also. So wala, maghiling mo na magtabok-tabok, mag-storya, di ba? Of course, mga Bisaya sad tabok-tabok. I met Max there. Di ba? He was taking a pol sci ako, business ad and accountancy, but mana ang lingaw sa Kalayaan Residence Hall, suod man mo tanan, may ila-ila na nimo ka ng mga Bisaya diha, or even mga ka-floor nimo. We eat at, we have a big mess hall there, so we eat together. So wala, malingaw ang memory gud ako ng Max na lingaw kay siya kas kanang di pa nauso ang pek shorts. Wa pa ng pek shorts before. Very short shorts na murag boxers. He goes to class wearing that. Ato siya AS, or we call it Palmahal or AS for short. And he goes to class wearing, murag naka-boxers lang, kung buguya na yun, naka-boxers lang, chinilas, because in UP, anything goes na eskwelahan, dili na tipong kuan ba na nang stricto kayo sa mga sinuluban, uniforme, di ba? So we say anything goes, di ba? Ugmana, and he para ako murag signature Max Limpak na boxers. So malingaw ko kay wala akong kuanan na niya na kuyawa buguya tawhan na so we see each other gyapon. So say mo bisita siya sa among katong when we after our freshman year, so bisita sa na siya siya bisita sa among dorm sa sa Molave. Magkita-kita kami, story kami. And then when he graduated, ako, I stayed on in Manila to work. I didn't realize Max squad was based na in Cebu and worked here, Stanstar, Freeman. He became really not only good news writer, but he became even an editor. Naranggo ba na nagko ka. When I returned back here in Cebu, mga late 2000s, I saw him. It's a nice sight to see, some old friends na makita ni mo, diba, doing their thing. There is a Cebu especially, di ba, na wow, kuyawan na din ako mga amigo, di ba, na kuyawan ko na ba, big time. I mean, the news that you read, so na, di ba, news, meron na itong basahon by, and then the news that you read was written or is written by friends of yours, yung mga editorial. Wow, gigago na nila, di ba? So when we entered the world of blogging and mo na social media, mo na digital news, I see him often, and he was really an advocate for digitalization, especially in the news industry. Mura ko na ningo na siya daan sa Sunstar no invest sa website, dapat to shift to digital way before things happen na kanabang, way before that newspapers are losing nawa na ilang readership, kanang ilang pilala i-print nila. But good thing man ning kuan gyud siya daan, mura na siya advocate siya ana. He even digitalized mga tourist sites. He worked with smart mga QR codes to give people, imo lang scan ang QR code and you will see sa iyang Inupub medium din you will see information about those tourist sites. So grabe sa siya kuan nang ihana siya ka devoted. Then magkita-kita bis events then hi day sa iyang wife na si Marlene. Thoughts and prayers good. Grabe, it's a big loss, big loss. Not only in the industry but also personally. And then he kept at it pa kami, kaidan lagi ako, nag-vlog ko siya. He's in more serious stuff. Sa iya ko makabasa na ganang about ganang AI niya. AI is now being used to create news. Di ba? AI news. So, then recently, believe ko na yung mga investigative ventures like katutong Bolhoon church panels. The ones that was stolen way back in the 80s, I think. Siya ang nagkuha na naman sa museum. Siya ang ni-break sa na story. Iya ginang gi-research how in the world did it end up sa usa ka collector gibutang naman sa National Museum when in fact it should be in the church. So siya gito ang murag hero when it comes to recovering that those church panels. Mo lang amazing kay mo. Liko pa ko rin kay para magandungang talk because Max, ang story ni Max dapat nakukuhaan yun da. This is a tribute drive yun da. Importante ni. Somehow, ako ding mapagawa sa akong chest also. Di ba? Grabe na. And recently, pinapisilain. Katubag yung, he is the one who broke the story about kanang scam hubs in Cebu. Imagine pila naka-billions yung scam hubs na grabe ni kung kuyawag yung mga article na. He's messing with some, I don't know, we don't know. He's messing with mga billion peso scams na ilang na kuan niya imo nang i-break. Wow, nika na niya kakugi, natulid sa kugi ha. Diba, with the amount of detail sa kugi, and also he's like kung na-vlogging, but he's one of the best church bloggers, also kanang religious bloggers or a journalist. Dahil lang bloggers kay I won't parang ako journalist gina siya na while he blogs, he's a pillar in the blogging industry. We blog, but he is lahi iya kanang well researched, well documented kanang usay ang iyang mga tales usahay ba na there was a time na nisud siya kanang meeting sa mga pare and then naminaw siya og apel nakitaan siya na nakaila mo siya, gi-kicked out siya sa meeting sa yung katawa na nakuyawa na yung tripping na, he goes to mountains just to interview ka ng mga priests, ka ng mga orders na namang Ang dili ordinaryo na orders kana sometimes kana balinging usay mura nag-kick out na sa church iya gyud na adtuon kuyawa ning tawhana eh. And even sometimes mura mga chismis diha sa mga even sa mga chismis diha sa mga sa clergy. So mura one of the marites, but you know, in a good way. Kana bang wala gina believe ko. Saludo ko to Marlene and their two sons. What I know it's a big loss, but and you know we lost a good one also in the industry sa news in that time, you know, di ba, na kanang mga tao na dili na mag-research kaayo. We just get the news from different sources, aside from sites na we don't even know who are the authors. Lahi tong panahon, lahi ang Max, murabag the agents of truth. It's a big loss. It's a big loss. One of the best. No, so manang farewell, Max. Of course, we're always gonna pray for you and your family. I'll do my best also sa atong mabuhat. O, di ba? Maybe kung pag-isiho na lang nato imong one wife eventually kada usay ba sometimes sa sadness. I know grabe na inyong team ninyo, para nako, you know, one of the best, you know, 1-2 punches when it comes to writing. I'm gonna miss you guys. I'm gonna miss you, Max. Muna to my contemporary, kuha na lang muna, Godspeed and see you someday muna. And mana, thank you so much for watching. Yes, if you know Max, mana, kung mo kay Balo, he passed on, and if ever you know him personally, you know, you can always send, you know, message of comfort, even support probably sa family. So malang na, that's an announcement. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a great week ahead, and happy na Pasko. So always also valid. Never hesitate to say what you feel, or say I love you to the people around you, di ba? Okay, who knows? So, muna. And see you na sa atong mga next drives, and thank you so much for all the support. Bye.